how to make these instruments. Do you know this instrument? Do you know how it's called? It's called maracas. This instrument is so easy to make, and I'm gonna read you the instructions and then you are gonna follow my lead, okay? So let's check it out. Let me read the instructions to you. Maracas are typical Latin American instruments which you hold with both hands, 1 and 2, both hands, okay? And shake them to make sounds. In this activity, we will make 2 maracas so you can play, dance, and sing along with your friends and family. Let's check it out. Come with me.